Hi, welcome back. I'm Yuki, the trainer from AiHouse. So let's continue the concealed wardrobe customization. And you can see I already dig these dimensions pictures on my computer. So let's get into AiHouse and start our designs. For this concealed wardrobe, we need to use the normal wardrobe. This one, and you can see it's combined by 3 double doors column. Then there are 2 methods for you to draw it. The first is find the double doors column, find the double columns, then find a similar one, like this one. Drag and drop it in. Place it, hit O key to open it. And the inner is a little bit different, and you can change this later, and hit the Shift key to select it to change its position. Okay, next we are going to place the other one. Alright, let's change the size. Its width is 900, change it from left side. Its depth is 550. Its height is 2400. Okay, the next one has the drawers. We can find the drawers type. Like this one, drag and drop in and change the size. Next, we are going to put another. You can just select this one, Control V, copy around to the left. Space distance to be 900. Hit OK. Okay, this is fine. Then you can select this one, right click to replace the functional cabinet. Then I'm going to select this one. Okay, it's not that suitable for me. It's okay. Let's hide in this door. Select this one and hit the H key. You can delete this board and move it upward. And for here, right click to replace the functional part. Like this one, layout. And here, still using the same methods to replace the similar one and changes, or you can decorate by yourself. This is the first method. However, you can also select the single column, move forward using this frame cabinet, drag and dropping. Change distance 50. Then select this one to change the size. Its width to be 900, depth and height to be 2400. Then you can copy 2 at the left side. And if you don't want 2 boards inside, you can select this one and go to the right side to change the left side and right side to have no panel. And if you're doing this, remember to combine these 3 cabinets after you finishing your design. Select all of them and Ctrl G to combine them. Now I'm still going to continue my design. For this one, I'm going to hit the G key to input this cloth hanger and change its distance to the top panel. Okay, the first is finished. Next, we need to place the layer panel inside. Input the value to change the place for the drawers like 800. Another clothes hanger 50 and input it here. And for here we need to place the natural part, and when this blue light shows out, it means this panel has divided the space evenly. And you can see 423, 423. Then we can include a concealed drawer inside. You can select this drawer and go to the right side to change the quantity of the drawer. Change it to 3, like this. You can also change the size. Height should be like 560. Then put another clothes hanger in here. And for here, still the same method, drag the panel inside and evenly divide it by 5 panels. So now I have set this inner part well, and I'm going to install the door and drawers for it. So let's close this material library and go into the upper part. Here has the door installation. select this one. Now we are getting into the door installation function. You can batch install. Select this batch installation, then select the place. Now we only select a single space. You can left click and hold your mouse to move the area for this first door and cover the whole. And the second one and the third one. So they are all covered by the blue areas. Then go to the right side to convert the door panel tiles, numbers, open direction, and cover method. And after you convert it, just hit OK. And for this inner part, I'm going to install the drawer. Then we can go to the upper part. It has the drawer installation. Select the drawers. Then we will go to Start, select the space. Left clicked. Then it will notice you to select the drawer style. Generate drawer, the first one. I just need two. And convert, you can see there has a shadow to inform you that they are covered. And at this time, you can change this two doors cover method to the button cover to embed it like this. And if you want these panels to cover some toolkit for that, let's exit the installation first. You can hit Shift D key and hold the Control key to select all of them and make them extend to the 4 and extend again to lift 20 distance. Alright, Control Z. And to minus 20 to make it up for a little bit. And now if you want to extend these drawers to the button or alive with them, then now you need to exit from the panel selection mode and hit the B key and enter to the panel selection mode and hit this drawers. Then its parameter will show at the right side. Here you can see it's now down 16.5. Then you can change its down. Like now its elevations to the ground it's 118. Then you can change it to 100 and hit enter. Then it will almost align with this door panel. After doing this, let's going to install the ceiling panel for them. At the right side, let's select this one, filter installation, L shape N at the right part, panel front should be 50. Hit enter and change its division. This is placing well to the top. Set all of them. Filter installation. And I want it divided at the middle part. So I'm going to set the divide division at like 1350. Hit enter key. Okay, it's placing well. Then at the left side, I'm going to set an arc shape. So for the arc shape, we need to go to the left side to find the decorative part. And the first one, just drag and drop it in. And you will see it becomes very big. It's fine. Now let's change its width. Change it from left side. Like save it. Oh, it's too small. You can save it like 50. Then for its depth, you can set it 600 to cover the door panel. And for the top, to make it extend 100. It's too thin, I think, so I'm going to change its width to 100 like this. Okay, look more better. Then next, let's going to change its door style, materials of them. Now let's move our cursors to the wall and right click. Door panel, let's select the door style. And under this ordinary tablet, we're going to find one like this color matching inverted round one. Select it, it's cool. And then next one, the drawer style. Now we are going to this flag door, maybe the car stripe here. Now there are many types for you to select. I want this one. Okay, it's cool. Then let's change the carcass material. Let's find the NFC one. Just using this road wood. And now we are going to use the brushes to paint them to the same color. Material brush. Copy the color, paint it on Ctrl Z. Paint it on both of them. And this one. And right click to end command. Right click again. Next, we are going to change this to door cord style. Select both of them. Right click, go to the door and door cord style. Here we are going to use this glass one. Maybe this is a flat glass door. Double click, then it will change into this type. Next, let's going to install the handle for this wardrobe. Right click the door or handles, install. Then you can add handle for the open doors and find the simple handle series. Just find one like this. Okay, I think it's great. And I'm going to close this installation. And for this two, I want to make them align. So I hold my control key to select both of them, right click, and the handle to align. Then you need to select the align target like this one. And now you can see it's installed on the glass. So we can change the distance. Select the door panel and go to the right side. Here has the right marking. You can change it. Change it to 30. Not that good. Or how about 40? Okay, and this one, left side, 40 again. Or maybe you can change both of them. And this glass, you need to make it changes width. Okay, now it looks good. I would like to install the light inside here. This top panel, hit the B key, select this panel, right click, light insert. Hit the O key to close of them. Now the design of this wardrobe is finished. We need to group them together. You can come to the top and hold the control key, select all of them, and control G to group them. Now it has been made to a group. We can use AI designs to decorate it. So let's go to the upper one. Here is the AI decorative. Select the style that you like and single space. This bedroom and hit OK. Then let's wait for a while. Now it's finished. You can hit the O key to open it and to check. Or if you don't want this to be the same clothes, you can go to the material places to find some clothes for you. First, you can hide both of them and delete them, and OX to get into material and the decoration. Moving down, here has clothing, and drag this one. Then hold your control key to move it freely. So after this, you can go to the upper display, material management to find your door. Then now it has been displayed inside. So the design for the concealed wardrobe is finished. And in our next videos, we will talk about how to get the quotation and the drawings and render both of them. Goodbye.